The keyword tools a lot of times will return things like scrap metal or carbon steel pan, like I mentioned, or Bessemer steel. Now, for example, scrap metal, people see this as a search volume of 49,500 searches per month and think this is a good keyword to rank for because you can work with scrap metal, or you've had a customer in the past who is looking for scrap metal. Problem is, this key phrase itself is so broad and very competitive that it's not likely to turn into any customers for you, even if you do rank well. The key is to decide which searches are worth going after and which ones are not. So we need to sort this entire keyword list into keep, maybe, or drop, and write down why. And can you actually quote what somebody wants for this specific product or this key phrase? If you don't filter your keyword list and decide what you need to leave out, you end up chasing traffic that never actually buys from you. And that is a huge problem here. So the list here, and I'll get to the actual list in a second, but I just want to explain the strategy and the foundation with you so it makes sense why it's set up this way instead of just explaining the keyword list for you. The keep, maybe, drop split. The way I did this is there are 918 keyword targets that I'm recommending to keep, 548 maybes, and some of these depend on your business itself, and then 1,006 drop. And here are some of the high volume searches that were dropped and why. Stainless steel as a high volume search. This is too general, not fabrication buyer intent. 90,500 searches per month. As a note though, if you fabricate stainless steel, you should absolutely have a page about that. But a broad key phrase optimized for stainless steel by itself is something I see all too often. You have the material or the finish or whatever as a primary page on your website optimized for that general key phrase. And there's no point in having that optimized on your website. The key is to have the page optimized specifically for that offering and to talk more about your stainless steel fabrication methods. If you want the full strategy for how to build this out completely for your website, the first link in the description has everything you need. Complete keyword list, all recommended pages to build, and the content prompt I use. Plus, it's specific to metal fabrication. Hope it helps.